Today, I'll show you how to set up Gusto Payroll, a comprehensive tool that can simplify your payroll process. Whether you're a small business owner or managing HR for a larger team, Gusto can help streamline operations. Let's dive into the setup process, ensuring you can confidently manage your payroll with ease. First, you'll want to head to gusto.com. This is the starting point for setting up your payroll system. Once there, if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Follow the prompts to register, ensuring you provide accurate information. If you already have an account, simply log in to access the dashboard. Next, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Pay. This will take you to the payroll section where you can start setting up your company's payroll details. This section is crucial as it guides you through the initial stages of setting up your payroll system. Once you're in the payroll section, it's time to fill out your company profile. This step involves entering vital information about your business, such as your company name, address, and federal employer identification number. Make sure all details are correct to ensure compliance and avoid any legal hiccups down the line. Taking a few extra minutes to double-check your entries here can save you a lot of trouble later. Moving on, add your payroll details. This includes setting up your pay schedule, deciding how often your employees will be paid, and the payment method, such as direct deposit or checks. You'll also need to decide on your pay period dates and enter any other payroll specifics required for your company. Setting these details correctly ensures smooth payroll operations and helps in maintaining employee satisfaction. The next step involves creating your own profile and adding team members. In Gusto, you'll need to input your information as the administrator and then add your employees. For each team member, include their personal information, job title, salary or hourly rate, and any deductions that apply. This process helps Gusto calculate the correct taxes and withholdings for each employee, making payday stress-free. Now, it's time to share your state tax details. This involves entering your state tax ID numbers and other relevant tax information. It's important to get this right to ensure your taxes are filed correctly and on time. Gusto will use this information to handle your state tax filings, which is a big time saver. Before you can start running payroll, you'll need to sign necessary documents and verify your bank account. Gusto will prompt you to sign any required documents electronically, and you'll need to link your business bank account to enable payroll transactions. After you've completed these steps, Gusto will review your account to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once your account is reviewed and approved, you're ready to run your first Gusto payroll. This is where all the setup work pays off. Simply follow the steps on your dashboard to process payroll. Gusto's intuitive interface makes it easy to review and approve your payroll before submitting. Finally, celebrate your first Gusto payday. Your employees will receive their payments on the scheduled payday, and you'll have peace of mind knowing that your payroll is managed efficiently. With everything set up, future payroll runs will be even easier. And there you have it. With Gusto, you've set up a reliable system for managing your payroll. By following these steps, you can ensure your employees are paid accurately and on time, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and happy payroll management.